Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to reduce information overload infinitely. So if that happens to you, it's only for one simple reason. So if you're consuming more than you need, the fix isn't reading faster, it's filtering smarter. So actually guys, first you will need to cut your sources. Brutal but necessary. So if you follow like more than 50 sources, that's the problem. So all you need to do is to keep only 10 to 20 high quality sources, okay, and just follow anything repetitive or low value. So the rule is, if a source hasn't helped you in 7 days, just remove it, okay. So actually guys, I'm following the content ideas. I have two on the folder of content ideas actually, and more than 29 right here, okay. So what I do really want you to do is to follow what you're interested in, okay. So all you need to do is to go and tap on the three dots next to the content, and then just go with and follow the content that you don't mind to keep following, okay. Also, you'll need to use the 80/20 rule. So not all content matters. Let's say 80% noise and 20% valuable. So your job is to ignore most posts without guilt, okay, and train yourself to skip headlines quickly and open only what stand out. And instead of following tech plus business, crypto, fitness, news, etc., just go and focus on 2 to 3 core topics as max. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.